Legends of Learning presents the Dr. Clone game. This is a science game that makes learning about multicellular organisms and their subsystems fun and easy to understand. In this informative instructional game, Dr. Clone is a renowned genius, but he has a problem. There are too many experiments to do and only one of him, but that is about to change with his next experiment, making a clone of himself to help him move science forward. Help Dr. Clone in his journey through all the subsystems of the human organism, each with its own tissues, organs, and functions, and recreate a copy of the doctor step by step. Use the mouse to click to complete mini-games to learn more about the different systems in the human body. Complete all the levels to win the game. Use your knowledge of science to complete this fun and educational game. Have fun and enjoy playing.